Even after a wrap from the Supreme Court, the opposition India bloc is continuing with its anti-EVM tirades. After an embarrassing loss in Maharashtra Assembly elections, the Mahavikas Aghadi is planning national protests against the credibility of EVM or electronic voting machines, which it blames for the defeat. The MVA was limited to an embarrassing 54 seat in this assembly election. The MVA with Congress, Shiv Sena, Uddhav Bal Thackeray and NCP Sharad Chand Pawar also plans to move the court to return to ballot papers. Mr. Thackeray and Mr. Pawar met defeated MVA candidates on Wednesday to form legal teams at the state as well as national level to address the long-standing concern for opposition parties. Nana Patole, the ex-chief of Congress state unit, who quit after the results were announced, similarly denounced EVMs, insisting it is not being taken seriously. These complaints come even after the Supreme Court, which gave EVMs a thumbs up in April when the Lok Sabha elections were being held, dismissed a petitioner's plea to return to ballot paper. The court pointed out faulty EVMs are not flagged when the opposition wins an election. The reasoning has also been brought up by senior BJP leader and Maharashtra Deputy Devendra Fadnavis, who is widely expected to be the next chief minister as well. Responding sharply to the claims about rigged EVMs, he pointed out that Congress had won Jharkhand election. Quote, JMM and Congress won in Jharkhand. This election there was fair. But if we get a huge victory in Maharashtra, then we are biased and the election commission is biased and the EVMs are hacked, unquote. The MVA has loudly protested the result of the Maharashtra election that was won by the Mahayuti alliance of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar's NCP. The Mahayuti won a historic mandate, claiming 235 seats of the 288 assembly, with BJP alone winning 132 seats, its best ever election score in Maharashtra. The Mahavikas Aghadi got just 49 seats. The Thackeray Sena got 20, the Congress 16, and Sharad Pawar's NCP group got 10 to record the veteran leader's worst electoral performance yet. Mr. Pawar's party had contested 86 seats, and he has urged his losing candidates to request an analysis of the VVPAT or voter verifiable paper audit trail to confirm the voting numbers. Senior NCP leaders, including grandnephew Rohit Pawar, have alleged fraud while vote counting. Like the NCP, the Congress is also furious over its low strike rate. The party contested 101 seats and got just 16. The Thackeray Sena, meanwhile, fielded 95 candidates but won just 20 seats.